Hello children, today we are going to learn chapter 6 of EVS Keeping Healthy. Take out your EVS textbook and pencil. Let me ask you a question. What do you mean by a healthy person? When a person does not become ill or sick, feels active and fit throughout a day, enjoys physical and mental happiness, is called a healthy person. So how to keep ourselves fit and healthy? Let us see. See this picture, children? His name is Rajat. So what he is doing? He is doing exercise. He exercises every morning and also goes for a walk. Do you exercise and go for a walk, children, every day? It keeps him active and fit for the whole day. Again, see what they are doing? They are playing. What they are playing? Games. Playing games also help us to be fit. Posture. Posture means how you walk, how you sit, and how you stand. Posture is the way in which a person holds his or her body while standing, walking, or sitting. See this picture? Sitting posture. We should always sit with our back straight. Walking. We should keep our head high while walking. This is the right posture. Standing. We should stand with our back straight like her. Cleanliness. What are the daily activities which involve cleanliness of our body? Cleanliness leads to good health. Washing hand. Wash your hand properly before and after every meal. Actually, dirty hand contains germ which can go inside your body with the food and can make you sick. So it is important to wash your hand before you take your meal, preferably before going to bed at night. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and evening. Taking bath is also very important. Take a bath daily with soap and water and dry yourself with a towel. Combing hair. Oil and comb your hair daily. Clean your nose with a clean cloth. Cleaning ears. Clean your ears with a cotton bud. Use soft cotton buds and clean carefully. Cutting nails. Trim your nails regularly. Long nails contain dirt and germs inside, so cut it regularly. Always wear clean and ironed cloth. Rest and sleep. Sleep is important. Sleep refreshes our body and mind. Children should sleep 8 hours in a day. Healthy food. Now what is a healthy food? So eat meals at fixed time. Eat at least 3 times a day. Eat fresh food. Eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. Also drink milk. It is a complete food. Fruits and vegetables are the good source of vitamins and minerals, and they are very good for health. And taking milk is also very good for your health. It is a complete food. Note: eating oily, spicy and stale food is not good for health. So children, avoid junk food. So here is your assignment. Based on your understanding, write any 5 healthy habits in your notebook. Thank you.